have an allergy in Minecraft. Ugh, my nose. I'm okay. I don't know what I'm allergic to, but my friends helped me go on a journey to find a cure to end my allergy once and for all. Let's just hope I don't sneeze too much. Man, this allergy is starting to get to me. Oh, right, that's my pet cow, Freedward. How's it going, buddy? Aw, man. Wait, I can't be allergic to... Nah, Freedward's my pet. I can't be allergic to him. Before we get started, make sure you give the like, share, and subscribe buttons a spin dash. Thank you. Let's go. My toes. Maybe you could help me out here by hitting the like button for me. Enjoy the video.